Guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency with your Binance application. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the Binance app on your phone. You log in. If you do not have an account, you make sure you're registered properly and make sure that your account is verified. Another thing I want you to note is if you're using the Binance Lite, you have to migrate to Binance Pro, the professional page, so that you can follow me accordingly. So the first thing you need to do is go over to your wallet, and as you can see that I have about $6 in this account. Then you go over to funding, you click here, you see the funding, then you see deposit, withdrawal, transfer, P2P, pay, gift card, pool. These are options in which you can fund your account, but we are going to use the P2P method. So as soon as you click on P2P method, you'll be able to see this risk notice. This risk notice might appear or might not appear. It depends on the country where you're operating from. Right now I'm in Nigeria, so it's telling me what I need to know about the country where I'm from. All you need to do is read the risk notice, click on I have read and agreed the above content, you click on confirm. So right here you can switch between which currency you want to buy the crypto and which currency you want. So I'm going to be using my local currency, which is the Nigerian naira. And you have three options here. You have the P2P method, express method, and block trade. In the P2P method, you can see there are people with different prices. As you can see, there are different prices here, in which if I'm interested in any of these prices, I would just click on it and I'll buy them at that price. But usually this one takes a little bit more time, although it is very safe. I'm going to show you how to do it a little bit more faster. So we're going to use the Express. In this Express, you'll be able to buy cryptocurrency even more faster. So first of all, you have to select the amount you want to buy it for. So let's say I want to buy it at 5,000 Nigerian naira. After that is done, you click on buy with zero fee. So I'm going to put 5,000 naira. Then you click on, make sure it is showing USDT here. If you want to buy in naira, you can select whichever one you want here. So we are going to keep it on USDT and we're going to click 5,000 Nigerian naira, buy without fee. You can see right now the best offer is 769.90 per 1 USDT. So I'm going to buy 5,000 naira worth of it, and that's like 6.49 USDT. We have the bank transfer and instant bank transfer. As you can see, the bank transfer is even more cheaper, so we are going to buy it. So click confirm purchase. So while this is going on, you'll be shown the seller's information. As you can see, this is Jumi Root, as you can see the name here. And what is going to happen is that I'm going to pay this amount of money into her bank account, and as soon as I've done that, Binance will ask her to confirm if she has received, and if she has received it, the cryptocurrency will be credited to my account. Okay. So after I've gone through and I'm comfortable with all the information that is being highlighted here, I'm going to click on make payment. As soon as you click on make payment, you'll be able to see some conditions set by the seller. As you can see, I have like 14 minutes in order to carry out this transaction. This is the seller's name. This is the seller's bank. This is the seller's account number. Good. So all I just need to do is to transfer money to this account. Note that the USDT is actually in an escrow account, so even the seller is no longer holding this amount of cryptocurrency that I want to buy at the moment. So it's in an escrow account. So when I have made the payment, Binance will ask the seller cannot cancel it because they no longer hold the amount. So as soon as I've made payments and I have notified that I've made a transfer, Binance will give me the money. But if there's any issue in between, Binance will be able to handle by asking you to provide information of your transfer, your bank statement, and it will also require the seller to also do the same, so that to make sure that your cryptocurrency is safe. So you try as much as possible not to let your time run out. So all I just need to do is copy this account number, then I'm going to make a transfer to it. So I'm going to pause the video here, make the transfer, then I'm going to be back. So this is my bank app, and I'm going to proceed to make the payment to the person. And make sure you send the exact amount of money that you are being asked to send. So right now the transfer is successful, and as soon as you have done so, you come back to your Binance application and click on transfer to notify seller. So I'm going to click on transfer notify seller, and as soon as I've done that, Binance is actually giving the seller 22 minutes to respond to this transfer. And if after 22 minutes the sellers refuse to release the cryptocurrency, I can appeal and show proof of payment to Binance, and Binance will give me the amount. Note, this is completely safe because the cryptocurrency is no longer in the seller's account. So this is the surest way you can buy it. I've never had, over the last 3 years of me using Binance, I've never had any issue buying using this method. So in less than no time, most times it doesn't have to go throughout this 23 minutes. It doesn't have to count down from there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video here. As you can see, I didn't even need to pause the video. Person has already confirmed, and you can see 6.49 USDT has been deposited into my funding wallet. All I just need to do is click on done. If I want to order again, I can order again. You can leave a positive review for the person. Yeah, fast transaction. Then you leave a comment for the person so that the person can have more good positive feedback. So after that is done, this is not all. Note, this money has been sent to your funding wallet. In your funding wallet, you cannot buy cryptocurrency from your funding wallet. If you want to be able to buy cryptocurrency, you have to move it from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. So the next thing we need to do is to do a transfer. You see, we have 6.94 USDT. So we are going to move it from here, from our funding wallet to our spot wallet. So now we are going to click on transfer. See, funding wallet. What do we want? We do not have any Bitcoin in our funding wallet, so we have to change it to USDT. USDT is what we have. We're moving it from our funding wallet to our spot wallet. Click on maximum, so we want to send all of them, and click confirm transfer. As soon as that is done, the money is going to be moved from our funding wallet to our spot wallet. As you can see, our funding wallet has returned back to $0. And if we move over to our spot wallet, you can see it has added up. Right now we have $13 in our spot wallet. Good. So this is how you can buy cryptocurrency safely and very fast using Binance. If you have any question, I want you to write them in the comment section. If it is different from your country, you let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to create a video for you so that you can understand how you can buy cryptocurrency cheaply.